In this example, I need to multiply and simplify this problem here. Well, what do I have? I have a binomial of x minus 2 multiplied by a binomial of 2x minus 5. Just a reminder, a binomial is the fancy term for a polynomial with two terms. So there are several different methods for doing this problem. I could use the distributive property repeatedly, but only in the case of a binomial times a binomial, we can use a more systematic, easier method that you've most probably heard of called FOIL. So let's look at FOIL. And here's FOIL. Now remember, this only works with a binomial times a binomial. So the F in FOIL stands for first terms, so I'm going to multiply the first terms of each binomial by each other. So I'm going to multiply x times 2x. So remember, in front of this x, there's a 1 that we're too efficient to write. So when I multiply 1x times 2x, you multiply 1 times 2 to get 2, and x times x to give you x squared. Now I'm going to work on O, which is the outer terms. So the two outer terms in the two binomials. That's the x times negative 5. So what is x times negative 5? Well, 1x times negative 5 is just negative 5x. Now let's work on the I, which is the inner two terms. So that's these two terms, negative 2 times 2x. So negative 2 times 2 is negative 4, and I just have 1x. And then I need to finally look at my last terms in each binomial. So that means I'm going to multiply negative 2 times negative 5. Well, negative 2 times negative 5 is positive 10. So now I've completed FOIL, all I have to do is look for like terms to simplify. Do we have any like terms? Yes, the middle two terms are like terms. So I'm going to get 2x squared, then negative 5x minus 4x. Well, negative 5 added to negative 4 is a negative 9x, and then just plus 10. These are all unlike terms, so that is my answer. 2x squared minus 9x plus 10.